Today, I'm going to show you how to clear all the cache from your Windows 10, Windows 11, or any computer. It's very easy, and trust me, after doing this, your computer will feel faster and run more smoothly. Make sure you watch the full video so you don't miss any steps. Let's get started. First, press the Windows key plus or on your keyboard, or as in Romeo. This will open the Run window. In the Run box, type prefetch, then click OK. You might see a permission prompt. Just click Continue. Once the folder opens, press Ctrl plus A to select all files. Then press Shift plus Delete to permanently delete them. We use Shift plus Delete so the files don't go to the recycle bin. They're removed completely. Click Yes to confirm. Now, press Windows plus R again. This time, type Temp and click OK. A new window will open. Even on a clean computer, there will still be some temporary files here. Again, press Ctrl plus A, then Shift plus Delete and confirm. These files are created by apps and are no longer needed, so it's safe to remove them. Next, press Windows plus R one more time. Now type %temp% and click OK. This is another folder full of temporary files that your system doesn't need anymore. Select everything with Ctrl plus A, then press Shift plus Delete. Some files might not delete. That's totally normal because they're being used by active programs. Just click Skip and Continue. Now, for the final step. Press Windows plus R again, and this time type Cleanger, then hit OK. This will open Disk Cleanup. Make sure your C drive is selected, then click OK. Once the window loads, check all the boxes. Temporary files, recycle bin, thumbnails, delivery optimization files, temporary internet files. Select everything, then click OK and confirm deletion. And that's it. You've now cleared unnecessary cache and junk files from your computer, which can help improve performance and speed. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a great day.